This model is for 70 ml medicine bottle production, featuring high-tech content, stable and reliable performance, and strong versatility. 6-die extrusion with wall thickness control system for precise regulation. Equipped with cold cutters, the cutters use guide-way type devices, with linear guides offering low friction and high guiding precision. Equipped with in-bottle rapid cooling pans to greatly speed up product cooling. Upper-lower push sprue trimmers, one-step product finish, no manual post-overflow removal, faster production. With servo manipulator, product handling plus secondary cooling for higher efficiency. Features secondary sizing function for faster cooling. Full automation engineering pursues stable and high-speed production, requiring high coordination between different functions and components.